Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to this episode. If you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe. Let's go over the good and the bad and find out what is in store for the Volkswagen. Alright guys, there it is. The fenders are on. I got the trunk on. Everything's on. As you can tell, the glass is not done, and as you can tell by my surroundings, I'm not in a shop. So let me explain what happened. Looking pretty good. I like to see those on. It's looking awesome. Oh yeah, it's turning out. Next Volkswagen next to the Volkswagen. Alright guys, good news and bad news. I guess good news is I made some money on an investment. Bad news is that investment was the gas station and shop, which I no longer am a part of or own or use. So I had to finish cleaning everything out this week. Sorry for the slowness of the videos. The old Volkswagen drove it out here to the property. I have a few things to do. Hopefully I will have a garage to work in temporarily for like a month so I can finish the top painting and put the glass in, because that's the biggest thing holding this up now, is just final coats, then on to the sanding, buffing, clear coat kind of stuff. So yeah, I don't have a shop to work out of right now. See if you can see that. So my house right there, it's not there yet because we're in the process of building it. So my garage is not done yet. Hopefully that will start here in the next week or two, and then I can have a garage, but temporarily trying to find something down the street from a friend. Use one bay of his 4-car garage, just so I can work on the Volkswagen and finish it up. Yeah, it's looking awesome. I'm loving how everything's turned out. I haven't had time to finish painting the front or rear metal. Some stuff's broken on the exhaust I need to work on. The brakes are kind of shot. So I'm thinking about doing a front disc swap setup on this, and to repair the master cylinders, brake cylinders in there in the rear. Let me know what you think. If anyone has done it, that would be awesome. If not, it might be a good how to do like maybe drop spindles up front, get a little more angle, and how to put on the front disc brake swap for it. So I do have those kind of little maintenance things to do since it's going to be my mom's. I want it to be safe. The rear seat finally got more foam in, so I can finally finish the other half of the rear seat so we can get it upholstered and get that taken care of. Front seats are upholstered. I got a different electrical switch I need to put in. We got boxes of parts. Let me show you here. I literally have boxes of new parts, gaskets, tips, all of it. I got more stuff in there in the storage right now. The Honda Crazy Cart storage. And here, so I can finish getting this together. So I laid everything out today, see what I did have, make sure I have what I need to finish up the Volkswagen. So I should have all the parts to finish it. I have all the new gaskets, I have the new trims. I have all the interior, I have the headliner, I got all the new interior panels, I got the carpet kits. Like I said, I got the seat covers, gasket seals, etc. The new upholstered seats, the foam, see the electrical, gotta finish that. I don't have a radio yet. I'm gonna look at a retro one. I need badging right here for Volkswagen. I need the chrome along the sides. But overall, like, it was fun driving this little car. It was pretty awesome working. It's working on it so far. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle Garage, or Garage List / working on a garage. But again, thanks for tuning in. Sorry for the delay in the videos. Hopefully I can get things going. Get this spot over here just to use for a month or so till we can get things sorted and hopefully get my garage going. Even if my house isn't done and I can get the concrete poured, I'll still work in the open garage because it's better than out here in the dirt and in the field. So again, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to all the new subscribers and people following along. Have a lot of people commenting, and I appreciate that. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that notification button, and make sure you get those notifications for when more things come out with the Volkswagen. Okay guys, till next time.